Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. And today is Vlogmas Day 1, and we are starting out with Friday face mask. I decided I was going to change it up a little bit instead of doing Mask Monday, where I was doing the Oracle card readings. I now do the Monday Oracle card readings on my other channel. So it is listed down below or in my link thing. It's on my page. You can go over there and see the Oracle card reading on Mondays over there. So today is Vlogmas Day 1. I'm going to try to keep up and do the Vlogmas. I'm going to warn you ahead of time. My partner is possibly going to be getting back surgery. We'll know more later on this week. So I might skip a few days. I might not. Depends on if they're going to do it before the holidays or after. Hopefully, let's pray for after. So I've already had this mask on for about 10 minutes. This is the Winter Skin Facial Mask Replenishing Milk Infused Facial Mask by Spa Life. I ordered the winter masks, and I do believe I showed you guys this on a haul video. But to refresh your memory, it has the milk mask, the rejuvenated collagen infused, shea butter ultra moisturizing, and then the peppermint energizing. So I love the Spa Life masks. I feel that they do something. And this one's drying out. Like I said, I've had it on probably a little longer than 10 minutes. I like to always take the stuff that's left over, squeeze it out onto my hand, and use it on my hands and my neck. Because after the holiday cooking that we went through, and you're constantly washing your hands, because you're cooking, and then washing dishes to keep things caught up, it really takes a toll on your hands. And today it's actually sprinkling a little bit of snow. So there's that. Let me see. So I've never done a Vlogmas before, so I'm a little nervous about it. I don't know if it all has to be, like on a makeup channel, all makeup involved. But I think I'm going to do, like if we bake Christmas cookies, or I have some craft projects too, some gifts I want to make, that I want to share with you, some ornaments and stuff like that. We've already put our Christmas tree up, and I did film that, and it's gone. When I went to upload it to my laptop to edit it, it became corrupted. I tried to save it. I tried to go look on my OneDrive. It was not uploaded yet to that, so it got corrupted. So the decorating the Christmas tree did not get filmed. However, I am going to see if my daughter-in-law wouldn't mind us filming when we go. I always go up and decorate the Christmas tree with my grandkids. If she wouldn't mind if we filmed it, and then what I'll do is film it with no sound, and then I'll just put background music and do it that way. We'll see what she says. It depends on, if it's okay if the kids are on, because I don't know how to edit and smoke their faces out. If any of you guys can tell me a real quick, easy way to do it, let me know down in the comments section below. So this is about ready to come off. It's really drying out. It's wet though. See, I got burnt. with grease. All right. Nice. All right. So I think that's it for this Face Mask Friday. I did order some things, skincare items. And I'm going to put some moisturizer on. This is the Neutrogena Triple Age Repair. It's the nighttime moisturizer, but I just use a light amount during the day, especially under my eyes. My skin's really dry. The air has really, there's no humidity right now in our air. So it's just like, and then, you know, with us having the heat on, it just sucks the moisture right out of your body. So make sure you guys stay hydrated. But anyway, what I want to do is, like, I did order some refills on my skincare, and I'll share that with you next Friday. It should be here by then. And I might do a few Christmas hauls. I got to be careful what I post up here, so, you know, everybody doesn't know what they're getting for Christmas, because my family does watch my videos. So we want them to still be surprised on Christmas, right? All right, so short and sweet, Vlogmas Day 1. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.